25% of urban zones are just roofs. So this means that
2.6 million square kilometers of earth are roofs. If we planted grass, one of the worst oxygen producers, on all this area, we would manage to get enough oxygen for
9,008,400 people to breathe in an hour, and that's just too much.
Well, what if we could move all of this nature into our own homes and buildings in the city?
We have to learn to redesign and change architecture to make it sustainable, and this way make green architectures the norm and not the exceptional. So, and in the future, the buildings maybe will be like this.
Come, let me show you something. So, most of the people are not familiarized with the term of green architecture, but let me show you something. So, what do I mean with the term of green architecture? This, come.
so this is green architecture.
green architecture is adding green areas to urbanization to make it more sustainable and beautiful.
As you can see here, we've got a perfect example of a vertical garden. Vertical gardens are perfect because they can help the building because they produce lots of oxygen and they make the building look a lot nicer.
Roof gardens are gardens that are built in the roofs. That's simple.
Green architecture has gigantic advantages for everyone. For you, for the environment, and for sustainability. By planting a roof garden, you do not just produce more oxygen, which is healthier for you and for your mind, but you also help to reduce the amount of carbon footprint that whatever your building is making, as plants or your garden will consume the CO2 and will transform it into oxygen that then we can breathe. As well, one of the biggest advantages of green architecture is that it looks beautiful wherever it is, as it can have many shapes, colors, and forms, because of the wide variety of plants and gardens that are around the world, and that we can plant just in our roofs or our walls.
So, what are you going to do? Are you ready to make a change?